ClubExpress, Club Options. Administrators of clubs and organizations using ClubExpress set up and configure most areas of the system using the control panel. We're already logged into one of our demo sites as an administrator. Clicking on the control panel link brings us to the control panel that's organized into tabs. Each tab has a section for commonly used functions at the top and a section near the bottom for items that are rarely changed after the initial setup. In the setup area for most of these tabs is an options choice that is specific to the tasks on that tab. For example, there's a People Options link on the People tab and a Website Options link on the Website tab. Please watch the companion tutorial videos for instructions about each of these modules. To get to the general club options, go to the tab that is likely but not necessarily called Club and click on the last item in the list that may be called Club Options. The first item on the list lets you pick a keyword for what your club or organization is called. The list contains names for many common types of organizations and is used in a few places in the system. So yours might not be a club, but it might be a federation, a department, or a chamber of commerce. After saving the page, the keyword selected appears in the heading titles on the Contact Us page, where it might say Association Info and Association Contacts instead of using the default Club keyword. This is also the reason why the control panel's tab and link might not be called Club and Club Options. If you choose Association, the control panel's tab will say Association instead of Club, and the link to this page will say Association Options instead of Club Options. Next, specify the keyword to use for your member's organization or company. For example, let's set this to Institution and save the form. If the People Options screen specifies that members join through their professional lives, when viewing a member's profile contact info screen, the heading uses this keyword instead of the default value of company. Also, when administrators and coordinators are managing the non-member database, the keyword appears as a search panel option instead of the word company. ClubExpress supports memberships that include multiple people. Primary members manage the account. Secondary members are attached to the account and can log in. Here you can select the keyword for that person. In this case, we've specified associate member. There's also a keyword for tertiary members. These are people who are attached to the account but cannot log in. In this case, we'll select junior member. The keywords for secondary and tertiary members appear on several screens, including profile pages for chapter and additional members, as well as some control panel screens. Finally, many community service clubs such as Rotaries, Lions, and Exchange require members to attend a minimum number of meetings each year. If your club or association requires this, set the option to Yes and specify how many meetings or other types of events a member must attend each year. When this is enabled, in the Event Calendar module, you can optionally track attendance for each event and also define whether that particular event is eligible for meeting attendance credit. There's a report built into the Event Calendar for the attendance subsystem that keeps track of how many meetings each member has attended if this option is set to Yes. When you're done with the Club Options form, click Save or Cancel to return to the control panel. So now you've seen how to configure the fields in the Club Options form and how they're used by other areas of the system. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.